Yes. All right. So I have started recording. All right. शेयर हो रहा है स्क्रीन। ये साइड पे लिखा देखिए। Can you see the screen? Can you see the PDF file? Well, there's quite noise here.
Yes, sir. Mic is open.
So please, first of all, there's a lot of noise. I would request all of the students to please be silent or turn off your. I'm not muting you all because I want it to be a live seminar type class, so that you can always give me your inputs, and I can always ask you questions at random. So please, if you have some noise at your end, so you can mute yourself, or and if you want to talk, you can just, I don't know if there is a raise hand facility here, but you can just say at the right moment that, sir, I have a question. All right, so that we can get rid of this noise and jittery that we are all hearing. Achha, so I think all of you can hear me. I will again start this lecture. So, achha, admit karna padega. Achha. I hope all of you have joined. Now, as I was telling you that, achha, students are actually coming, and I have to admit them every time. Achha, all right, all right. Achha, I would like, who is the CR for your this class? I think some Kamran Khan, as the name was given by Mr. Kashif to me. So I would request the CR to please compile a list of the students who want to study this course, so that I could put them in the group, and hence they can join. Haji Mohammad Kamran, can you hear me? Mohammad Kamran. Mohammad Kamran ne enter kiya bhi nahi? I think Mohammad Kamran is not here. Kamran Khan is Mohammad Kamran. Yes, Mohammad Kamran Khan, can you hear me? Kamran Khan. Achha. All right, so now I would request all the students, those who want to join this class in future, so you can leave a message that we are interested, so that I add you in my class.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to interrupt you, but some students are facing problem to enter in this session.
Achha, why? I have entered all the students. Any student, so one student is waiting Huawei Metro, so I have joined him. I think there
Yes, sir.
shouldn't be any student now. You can check. If yes, I think all the students have joined. Okay. So I was told that Kamran Khan is the CR. So I wanted, I don't know why he's not, I don't know, he doesn't have
chat is disabled.
Chat is disabled. Acha. Acha, chat is disabled. So how to enable chat, huh? No, chat is not disabled. I can message him. Kamran Khan. At my end, it is not disabled.
सर पर हमें चैट डिसेबल शो हो रही है।
अच्छा, ये जो आवाज जहां से आ रही है ना, वो अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर दें जहां से अभी आवाज आ रही है, ताकि शोर ना हो। अच्छा, कामरान खान कैन हियर मी?
जी सर।
अच्छा, आप किधर थे भाई? बड़ी देर से मैं कह रहा थी कामरान खान कहाँ गए, कामरान खान। चलें, शुक्र आ गए। अच्छा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू नो, my request is that you can get a survey of those students who want to study this course so that I can add them in my group. All right. So then there will be no problem of admitting them into the class because they will be added in the group. All right, Kamran Khan sir, समझ आ गया आपको? Hello. Kamran Khan sir, can you hear me?
जी समझ आ गई है सर.
ठीक है, चला ठीक है. So I think we can start with the lecture now. So at my end, actually, this is enabled. So I think you can all see the screen. All right. Can you all see the screen of this PDF file?
Yes.
All right. So please mute yourselves. Those who have noise at their ends. Those who have noise at their end, please mute yourself so that we don't face any disturbance. All right. So this is, I was just talking about myself that my interest or my research interests are basically in this area of signal processing as related to their time and spatial dependencies. So probability and stochastic process, they are one of the fundamental tools of analyzing signal processing techniques, especially for communication, from the mere physical level to the upper network layers. This mathematical background in this field is needed in almost all branches of signal processing with respect to communications. So I will be teaching you this course. First of all, before we start, I would like to share the outline for this course. And I would like to share the outline. So, all right. So I am sharing this outline. This is a Word file, but it is not finalized. I would like to finalize it with the faculty at your end at Punjab University. Then I will, inshallah, also share it. One question is that the lectures and the reading material which I would like you to have, I couldn't find in our UET. Actually, we have software built for that purpose. So all the things are basically uploaded and you can just get it. So I will, if I'm not able to get this type of space here, then I will try to develop some of my channels on YouTube so that you can get these videos and audios as well as the reading materials, assignments or quizzes. All right. So all of you can, I think, see my Word file, the course outline. All of you can, I think, observe. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. So,
Yes,
so this,
sir.
all right. Thank you very much. All right. So this is the course, Probability and Stochastic Processes. And prerequisite, actually, I have said that you need any probability course or signal systems course. But then I saw that nowadays what has happened that analog and digital communication, especially at undergrad level, has become the core stone for differentiating between communication and non-communication students. So those students who have studied this type of course, this means that they have studied signal systems and probability courses. So I will change here. So prerequisite would be analog and digital communication. This means that you have studied all the prereq as well as you have information about some of the communication concepts of noise and interference with respect to probabilistic concepts. So there might be some changes, so that changes will come, and I will be updating you with those changes. So office hours, I do not know how this process goes on in this university. As soon as I will be updated, then I will tell you about the office hours and the office. So first of all, the course description. So I have followed this description with some changes with respect to the description as given in the graduate outline of electronic department of your university. So first of all, we will have a review of the basic fundamentals of probability and random variables, random processes, stochastic processes. And then we will move over to the famous stochastic processes slash random processes like Markov, Poisson's, Martingale's, random walks. And lastly, if you could have time, we will try to study the theory of matrices, especially with respect to the random matrix theory. So this is an overall description. So you will be getting this description once it is finalized. So you just have to go through this. It will be available to you, so you can always go through it. Then we have these textbooks. So I was trying to get the best book possible and also the easiest book so that all the students can understand this very difficult subject. This is a very difficult, one of the most difficult subjects in graduate in your graduate degrees, especially with respect to communications. And so I have referred some of the books, almost all the books of the outline are there, as well as I have written all other famous books and some books that are written in a more explanative fashion. They have also been added to this list. So you will find that all of these books, okay, they are available on online resources. And this T3, if it is not available, then if I am able to make my channel or there's some space provided to me by the university, then I will definitely upload this book there. But all the other books you will definitely get from the web. Even this book will be available, but all of its chapters might not be available for T3. But if there's any problem, then you can always tell me. I have all these materials, but most of these 6 textbooks, they are available online. Grading policy. So grading policy, I have just followed the recommended policy of your of this university, which is as follows: that you have sessional marks, which include participation marks, quizzes, assignments, 25%. Someone has raised hand. Acha. So yes, Kamran Khan, you have raised your hand. Do you want to share or say something?
Yes, sir. I was writing the names of those books. Can you scroll up for a bit?
Don't worry. This will be available to you. Once you give me a list of the students through email, or let us say we are able to make some group. So I will be sharing this. You don't have to write them. I was already telling you, don't have to write all of these things. So this will be available to you. It's PDF version.
Thank you.
All right. So no problem. All right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So the grading policy is standard 25, 35, and 40. I will also finalize this with the faculty of Punjab University so that there is no problem. Now, so I have actually studied this course many years before. Mostly, I think about 17, about 17, 18 years before. So even the course contents are a bit changed as compared to when I was studying this course. But the basis remain the same. And so I'm not sure, because it also depends on your aptitude or also on your mathematical level or understanding of the probability concepts or random processes or stochastic processes. So it will be, catch situation. I will be asking you questions and I will know that at what level the students are, so that we can gauge the speed and the content that we can cover. So this is a tentative lecture plan, but the contents will remain the same, but the order as well as the time spent on the subparts that might change. So basic things that you will try to follow, the fundamentals, then the fundamental axioms, and we have the random variables, conditional probabilities, stochastic random processes, and these 4 applications of random or stochastic processes from Markov chains, Poisson processes, martingales, and random walks. So I have tried to also squeeze in the quizzes for each of these applications. So lastly will be random theory. So this is one design which I have followed, and this actually you will be seeing that this design is basically taking the stochastic process towards the network side. So a stochastic process, when it is applied at graduate or research level, especially with respect to communication, so it has both its domain as with respect to digital communication, estimation and detection techniques, as well as with respect to network theory. So, but as you can see that most of the industry is oriented towards networks. So this subject, as it stands out with respect to the outline, is also more projected towards the network side. So if you have any questions with respect to this outline, so you can basically ask me. This will be provided to you once I get the emails, or let us say we have some sort of channel established where we can exchange the reading and the writing material. If you have any questions, you can ask. All right, so I think no one has any question, so we can go on to the book. Just I'll stop this and try to share the book. All right, so I think all of you can basically observe. So I think all of you have come from different universities and different backgrounds, but the commonality or the point in common would be that you would have studied something about probability, and many of you who might be from UET, they would have also studied about stochastic processes. So am I right? Is any student among you from your UET? Acha. All right. So I think no one is from UET, no problem. Let us start from this. Acha, Kamran Khan. Yes, do you want to say something, Kamran? Yes, Kamran Khan, do you want to say? Kamran Khan, you have raised your hand. Do you want to say, give a point?
I am from UET. I was saying I raised my hand because.
All right, thank you. So, which campus are you from?
Main campus, sir, 08 to 12 session, and I studied electromagnetics from you in 4th semester.
Acha, mashallah, mashallah. So I might remember your face when I will see you, inshallah. All right, very good. So just as a query, in probability, have you studied stochastic processes?
No, sir. I was in section B, and Mr. Naeem Ayaz, Dr. Naeem Ayaz was teaching that section, and while other 2 sections have studied stochastic, but we have studied only probability.
All right. All right. So in probability, I think you have studied functions of two random variables.
Yes, I might remember something.
All right, Majid. All right. So you have studied probability. All right. Thank you very much. So let us ask a general question from all the students. Does any one of the students in this session have they studied stochastic processes or even random processes in their undergrad classes or at undergrad level? Not by your own self, but prescribed in some course. All right, so I think no one has studied stochastic processes, but nowadays actually in UET we are teaching them even at the probability level. Then that is revised in the course of analog and digital communication, where a portion is now devoted to stochastic processes. But no problem. So I've got an idea that students need to get a basically a revision, or let us say a new discussion about stochastic processes. Now this is the book which I think you can see. This is a very famous book. Oh, okay. So probability, random variables and stochastic processes by Populus. So that this book has been used in the teaching community since, I don't know, since last 2 decades. This was the standard book. Even this is taught at UET also. So remember that I won't be repeating the various concepts of probability that you and random variables that you have studied. But those things that you have not studied, that we will be discussing in detail. But at any point, if you feel that there's these concepts which you are revising, they have not been covered or I am not well aware, then please stop me at that point, so we can discuss that point or elaborate that point. Someone is want to install. All right. So yeah, you know, in Zoom, through Zoom software, yeah, the class could be maximum, I think, of 40 or 45 minutes. Now we have a slot of 2 hours. Okay. So what I have decided is that this first slot, I have taken it to be approximately about 30 minutes. Okay. Then I will give you a break. Let us say of 15 minutes at the max, 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, all right. So I will give you a break for, let us say, for Maghrib prayers for 15 minutes, or let us say 20 minutes. Then we will start with the next part of our lecture, which will be again of maximum, I think Zoom allows 40 to 45 minutes. So then we will have again a 45 minute. Haji, so someone is wants to share something. I could hear some sound. Please do not disturb the class in the middle, because in that case I have to take other actions. If someone wants to say a thing, please raise your hand or ask some question when I am asking for any queries or questions. All right. Otherwise, it's better that you raise your hand. Then I will ask you to say your question. So this will be organized as follows. So we will have these breaks. We have to have these breaks because Zoom does not allow a session to be above 45 minutes. So this is the way this course till only these 2 weeks. So we will have a prayer break, then we will again a 45-minute session, and then we will about a half-hour session for this 2-hour break. For the 1 hour class, you can have a 30, let us say 40 minutes or 30 minutes before Maghrib, then break, and then last 10 minutes. So we will try to arrange prayer within this class if it is possible. All right, so start with the probability and random variables from this reference book. And I think most of you know a lot about probability. I will try to jump to the axioms of probability. And Hani, does anyone know about the famous axioms of probability? अच्छा अच्छा चलो ठीक है. So all right, I think all of you know about set theory, and you all know about unions. What is a set and how you take a plus b, addition of, or a union b, or union of two sets a and b. All right. Similarly, I think you all know about intersection, and then sets are exclusive once their intersection is null. And these are the famous axioms of probability. So they are defined as that the probability of an event has to be greater than or equal to 0, and then the probability of the whole sample space is equal to 1. And if two events, they are mutually exclusive, such as the intersection is null, then their union is equal to probability of.
मैडम साउंड में डिस्टॉर्शन आ रही है, समझ नहीं आ रही.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. Who is this student? Anji, please, you should have raised your hand. Otherwise, do not speak up. When I will ask questions, then you can speak up. If you have a problem, please raise your hand. And who was this student who has interrupted this class in this manner? Anji, what is your name? What is your name, please? Achha. All right, all right. All of you can hear me? Anji,
Yes,
all,
sir.
yes, sir. All right, all right. So I've just got a message from Zoom that they have removed the limit 40 minutes limit on my class. I do not know why they have done that. I have not paid the required cost for having classes above 40 minutes, but let us say they have done, then it's very good. All right. So coming back to our course, these are the three famous axioms of probability, which any student must know, and they are also asked once you go at the industry level. So these axioms, actually all the other probabilities are based on these three axioms. And you can see in this book, as you would have studied in your previous courses, that you can map all the others on this, on these three fundamental axioms. Now I will go to the other book. This book, again, this will be available to you online. If it is not available, you can, I will try to make it available on the channel, which we will inshallah establish. Which I will talk with your CR so that there is no problem in getting the source materials at your end. So this book is Fundamentals of Communication Systems. So this is a reference book that is being taught in, especially in UET at the digital analog and digital communication level. So this is a famous book by Procase and Masroor Slehi. So I will move on to the 5th chapter of this book, because remember that we are trying to study stochastic processes or random processes or random variables with respect to the communication or signal processing domain. All right. So why it is so important, so fundamental, and again the same definitions of sample space, events, probabilities, they are discussed, but with respect to reference to context, within reference to context of the terms or the requirements of communications. So this is chapter 5, probability and random processes. So actually you can see here the random processes, they are actually very good models for both sources and noise. All right. So, you know, when a signal is transmitted through any communication channel at any level, from network to free space or in the circuits or through transmission lines, so there are always two types of imperfections or two types of errors. One is deterministic error. All right. A deterministic means which you can determine by a formula. For example, I can say that my error is z squared. So Z is the signal value and its square, this is my noise. Or I can say that my noise is Z plus 2, or Z is, let us say, the signal, and my noise is plus 2. So this means that the noise is defined, it is deterministic, or whatever the imperfection is given by some formula, that is deterministic. Okay? And examples are these: linear non-insertion, intersimilar interference, and so on and so forth. The second second type of interferences are non-deterministic or actually random. So a random interference, you cannot give this by a formula. I cannot say that my random noise or random interference is 2, is 4, is cos omega t, is z plus 2 whole square. You cannot define it by a formula. It is actually probabilistic in nature. Okay? It is uncertain, and it is actually classified as making the signal random, stochastic, or probabilistic. All right. So we are trying to study this thing in detail. And examples are noise and multipath fading. So, noise is always changing. And even in multipath fading, the various signals that are coming through the channel, they are changing, both with respect to time and with respect to space. So they constitute these random, and we will see processes or values. For example, additive white Gaussian noise, or Rayleigh or Riccian channels. Okay? Or you could have hear about the MIMO or the MISO channels in industry, or even in your some course. So secondly, the information. For example, I am speaking, I am giving a speech, and that is being received at your end. And actually, I know that there is interference in the signals, in the wires, in the internet, in the free space, and through the whole channel through which you are receiving your signal. But apart from that, the information, the exact context of my speech, that is also a random process, because you don't know what I will be saying, or even I do not know what exactly I will be saying after 5 minutes. All right. So there is a certain uncertainty not only in the noise or in the channel, but also in the source. Yeah. So if you are totally deterministic about the speech, let us say of some president or some teacher or some leader, if you know everything, you can define that speech by certain formula, so you won't be interested in it. So information is always inherently has some sort of uncertainty in it, and this goes on to be regarded as a very fundamentals of communication. So nowadays research is going on so that you can utilize this uncertainty to send more and more data on a communication link. Acha. So we will be studying this chapter, but this chapter is basically a review chapter. Okay? We are not going into details which you have already studied of probability theory and random variables, which you might have studied all together previously. And but we will try to introduce the concept of random process, so or a stochastic process, that I will try to cover with mathematics and with detail. Achha. So review of probability and random variables. So first thing, that is the concept of a random experiment. So random experiment means that you are conducting experiment, but you are not sure, or you are not certain, or there is some sort of uncertainty in the outputs. Okay? For example, flipping a coin, throwing a dice, drawing a card from a deck of cards, they are all examples of random experiments. And in all these randoms experiments that we have just discussed, the point in common is uncertainty, that you do not know what will be the result of the experiment. For example, I throw a coin, or all right, the first is the head, the second is the, let us say, the tail, but I won't know that I would be getting in the next 4 experiments the same head, or same head, tail, or head, tail, or tail, head, what ever the sequence or combination will be. I'm not certain about it. So this is a random experiment. And then the outcome of this random experiment, you can write that as, for example, head and tail are the outcomes of flipping toil. Or you can say, let us say, if I have a dice which has 6 sides, each side has numbers 1 2 3 4 6, so a dice is giving me these possible outcomes, and again I'm not sure that once I throw my dice what will be the relevant outcome. So all these outcomes, they will define outcomes, first random experiment, and outcomes of the random experiment, they will define your sample space. All right, so this is your sample space. All right, and the outcomes, let us say, are omega. So the outcomes are part, or they belong to the sample space. All right, I will take a break now so we can say our Maghrib prayers. So I will inshallah join after, take 15 minutes break. So I will inshallah join at 5:51. I will again, अच्छा इसमें ये है कि once I again start the lecture, so I think I have to again share the password and this code with you. All right, so what should I do now? So क्या कहते हैं इसको? हाँ जी, मोहम्मद कामरान खान, can you hear me? Mohammad Kamran Khan? Achha. I think some students cannot hear me now. So what I will do here is that I will share the code, or the meeting ID or the passcode after the break. Okay, so you can all join in again. And if someone has any question or problem, you can ask me before we take this 15-minute break.
You will share the passcode in WhatsApp group, sir.
अब मेरा ख्याल वो कामरान खान को आवाज आ रही, कामरान खान साहब को?
यस सर।
आप तो याद है, मैं आपके मोबाइल पे भेज देता हूँ, आप अगर ग्रुप बना सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स का, अगर नहीं है तो अभी मैं व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दूँ, जब तक आप ग्रुप बना लें।
सर वो ग्रुप ऑलरेडी है, एक MS इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग का।
चलो इसमें ही डालो, उसमें तो मैंने पहले भी डाला था ना, उसमें ये मसला ना सारे टीचर्स को भी पहुंच जाता है ना।
अच्छा,
तो चलिए कोई बात नहीं, अभी मैं उसी पे डाल देता हूँ ताकि आप भी कंफ्यूज ना हो, मगर मैं चाह रहा था कि एक आप ग्रुप बना लें जिसमें वही स्टूडेंट्स हों
जो वो हम 1-2 दिन तक ग्रुप बना देंगे।
हाँ बिल्कुल सही, तो फिर उसमें ये होगा ना कि बाकी लोग डिस्टर्ब नहीं होंगे, वरना वो कहते रहेंगे जी बार बार इनके पासवर्ड्स आ रहे हैं, क्या चक्कर है। तो ज़्यादा हमने उन लोगों को तो नहीं भेजना जो इंटरेस्टेड ही नहीं इस चीज़ में।
जी जैसे जैसे सर स्टूडेंट्स फाइनल हो जाएंगे ना, जैसे ही, तो हम इंशाल्लाह ग्रुप बना देंगे एक।
चलो ठीक है, तो फिर अब मैं ये कर रहा हूँ कि मैं भी ये सेशन ऑफ करके फिर मैं 15 मिनट बाद इंशाल्लाह आऊँगा, तो फिर मैं यही इसको व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर कर दूँगा, ठीक है? तो आप फिर सारे ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा, ठीक हो गया? ऑलराइट, थैंक यू वेरी मच।